Hey friends! Welcome back to another fun venture activity. Today we're going to be making canvas paintings using items that we can find right outside. So if you want to see how we make this wonderful masterpiece, keep on watching. The amazing thing about art is that anything can be used to create a wonderful masterpiece. I love going to the parks because I find inspiration and creativity everywhere I turn. And here comes the fun part. Now all you have to do is put your different paints on aluminum foil or a paper plate and use the items that you got from outside, like a pine cone, leaves, sticks, or your grass, and just put it in the paint and go to work on your canvas. If you would like to get a little more creative, you can add more things to your art painting, like glitter, stickers, or cotton balls. And there you have it, our nature canvas masterpiece. I hope you guys enjoyed this activity as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of the fun ventures coming your way. Don't forget to like and comment below. I hope you guys have a fun venturous day. Check out our new fun and inspiring children's book, The Box, The Adventures of Katie and Karl Wallaroo. Katie and Karl enjoy a regular day of play when they find a mysterious magical box that takes them on all kinds of fun adventures. Our book is now available online, link below.